Welcome everyone. Is the Bitcoin Cash hash war over? And what does that mean for the wider cryptocurrency markets? Well, after many days and many millions of dollars spent and wasted, the Bitcoin Cash ego war is finally coming to an end. The bloody battle between the two competing visions for Bitcoin Cash over the block size increases from 32 to 128 megabytes was not only costly to the miners, but was a massive catalyst in bringing the entire crypto economy down to its knees, which to my mind honestly speaks much more about the juvenile state of the crypto industry versus the power or importance of either of these two projects. Of course, the amusing factor here is that neither the 32 megabyte block camp or the 128 megabyte block camp are anywhere close to capacity in terms of filling those blocks up, like not even at all. That's not to say that they won't get those blocks full in the future, but in this regard, Bitcoin Cash is much further ahead in terms of merchant adoption, for example, than the new Bitcoin SV. But with the Lightning Network getting better all the time, this whole Bitcoin Cash fiasco may have been a moot point in the end. As the money-burning orgy raged on, eventually, Calvin Ayre of CoinGeek took to the internet claiming that they no longer wanted the Bitcoin Cash name. Nice excuse. And thus we'll be moving forward with an independent blockchain called Bitcoin Satoshi Vision and have implemented replay protection, thus creating a new blockchain. This is as close to admitting defeat as is possible for the Bitcoin Satoshi Vision team and underlines really the emptiness of the threats from the fraud Craig Wright. Many key market players such as COINBASE and Ledger Wallet have actually put their weight behind Bitcoin Cash, not Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. But many exchanges are listing Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, and as time goes on, services will increase for Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, assuming that the stormy characters which are backing Bitcoin SV can actually keep the ship in one piece and moving in one direction. The end result of the battle of the egos, well, much like a middle-aged man going out and buying a sports car in the depths of his midlife crisis, Nothing has grown in size, except for perhaps the sizes of Calvin and Craig's blocks, that is. Nor does it make anyone look cool. No, the end result has actually been billions of dollars of value wiped off the face of the markets, a swell in extreme pessimism in crypto, and a crisis of confidence in the crypto industry overall and in proof-of-work networks. We now have so many knockoffs of Bitcoin, it actually looks really silly and can actually be a bit confusing for people who are newcomers to it. We have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. We have Bitcoin Private, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Core for you, sir, Bitcoin Diamond over there for you, and on and on and on down the list of completely irrelevant wannabes using the Bitcoin name. Which version of Bitcoin will survive in the end? Well, currently BTC is the market king, and I believe will be the long-term champion, especially once Lightning becomes mass adopted. But long-term, how relevant will Bitcoin be? This is a larger question for us as a community to reckon with, as proof of work networks and the crazy amounts of hardware and energy that we burn through in order to support the Bitcoin network prove to be unsustainable in the long term. But for now, BTC is the best form of peer-to-peer money. Can the Bitmain-backed Bitcoin Cash remain relevant? Probably. Well, for Bitmain's sake, it had better remain relevant. Those 1 million Bitcoin Cash aren't going anywhere. And as a potential Bitcoin Cash investor, if you were looking at it, I would implore you to stop and ask yourselves, do you actually trust the judgment of Jihan Wu and Roger Ver to lead this project after being so foolish as to normalize the fraud Craig Wright? I surely do not believe in their judgment, but for the die-hard Bitcoin Cash enthusiasts out there, this is the best and most professional boat to be in. The one bonus of this split has been that Bitcoin Cash have actually been so busy fighting each other that they haven't had time to attack Bitcoin. But considering that they still own the @Bitcoin Twitter handle and Bitcoin.com, I believe that we can expect more disinformation from the Bitcoin Cash camp in the future. Now, what about Bitcoin, Satoshi Vision? I would honestly say to really deeply question yourself if you are interested in investing in Satoshi Vision. Not only did Craig lie about being Satoshi Nakamoto, but he has gone against nearly all of the principles of Bitcoin and is an immensely destructive and divisive character. My faith in the long-term success of Bitcoin Satoshi Vision is near zero. Craig Coin just proves why it was so important that Satoshi disappeared, never to be heard from again. The winner of all of this mess? Well, no one really. We all lost something. Even those who were not involved in holding or supporting or mining either vision of Bitcoin Cash. And as for all of the other Bitcoin knockoffs, who cares? They're already irrelevant. My hope is that now that the dust is starting to settle after this silly war has finished, that the markets can hopefully return to normal, at least a little bit. But a serious amount of damage has been done to the crypto community by this incredibly divisive fork, and this may not be so easy to repair. But now that we have 3 chains, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, maybe we can all just be happy with our versions of Bitcoin and return to whatever normal is for the crypto markets, that is, anyway. Anyway, those are just my 2 Satoshis on the Bitcoin Cash debacle. I would absolutely love to know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Do you think that BCH or BSV will ever be able to overtake BTC? Which Bitcoin Cash camp do you support? I would love to know your opinion on this and anything else down below in the comment section, guys. Thumbs up the video. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to the channel already. If you want to stay up to date with what is happening in crypto, you should probably hit that bell. Join the conversation over on Twitter. Long live the blockchain. You guys are seriously awesome. And peace out till next time.